cooking, but then my parents came in the door. I bought myself an air fryer. It was $28 from Walmart on clearance. Originally, the original clearance was $62, but I got it for $28. Let me pull off the sign. Basically, I got a giant air fryer. And so the thing is, this one's all mine, right? So because it is all mine, we're basically doing an unboxing. Because this is all mine, I get to, like, even when I move out, I can take this air fryer with me. So that is something I'm very happy about. $28. But it was like this is a big air fryer. I carried this to the car. I was cooking a pork chop and lemon pork chop with rice when I got this air fryer. So we're gonna unbox it. Let me show you. It's a Power XL Vortex air fryer. Vortex Pro air fryer. This is what it looks like. That is, can y'all see that? Hold on, let me try and like, okay, there it is. Power Vortex air fryer, and it's 5 stars rated. Okay, it is crispier, faster, and healthier. This is like the big ones people have on like the sites and stuff. So, well, on like YouTube. I'll lean my seat all the way back for this, by the way. So 10 quick preset touch presets: French fries, vegetables, bake, fish, eggs, chicken, broil, reheat, defrost, dehydrate. 430 degrees is the max temperature. 1500 watts. Auto shut off. Shake reminder. And 2-tier cooking. Okay. 6 QT, 6 quart. Okay. Here's the other side. My own air fryer. Okay, we're gonna open it. I have my trusty blue scissors that I've had for years. Right here. We're gonna start opening this. I'm opening this on the glove box, by the way. Not glove box, but like the little metal piece. Let me go ahead and just, if I can break one part. Hopefully that was not valuable. Let me go ahead and just try and open this. Okay. Okay. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm trying to be very careful with this because this is my air fryer. This is my own air fryer, and it's a huge one. Right now we have a small one that my brother and I share, but he also got his own air fryer. So this is gonna be really fun and useful. Okay, here we go. Manual. I'll read if I need it. Okay. Let me try to figure out how to do this. Okay, I can move up here, I think. Let me see if y'all can see this. Okay, y'all can see it. Y'all can see it clearly. I have my phone. It's showing the GoPro and things. Okay. First up, move that down. Guys, I don't normally unbox things in my car, so forgive me. I'm in my pajamas, by the way, because I was cooking in the house, so... Ooh. Ooh, I pressed the button. Okay. Ah! Now I can tell you right here, right now. Oh, okay, I got it. Okay. It was upside down, I think. I'm not really sure how this is, like, working out. But, okay. Sorry if it's a little dark in here. It's 7:44 right now. But I really want to unbox this air fryer for you guys. Like when I bought it, like when I said, okay, I want to buy the air fryer, that I really just wanted to be able to unbox it for you all today. So I'm glad we're able to do that. Here it is. I'm going to take out its plastic now. Okay. Double plastic. I love that. Okay, here's the cord. We're going to take it off the cord out the... That's not necessary. We're going to saran wrap, I'm pretty sure. Gotta grab my scissors. Okay. Okay. Here it is. Hold on. Handle for basket is inside. Use this handle to pull it out. Okay. We're going to examine the outside first. This is the outside. There's 2 tape pieces. I'm going to take those off. If you see anybody in the background, that's just my dad. He caught some fish today. So, there's a power button here. Hopefully I can see. Okay, let's see. This power button. Reheat, fry, vegetable, like broccoli, egg, chicken. I want to say this is like, a defroster here. This is the fruit. This is the baking, the fish. Where's the menu? You know what? We'll figure that out. But like, these are pretty self-explanatory. This controls the temperature. This controls the time. Up, down. Now we're going to open it. Oh, look at the top. That's like really nice. I have to be careful with how I open this though, just because. Oh, okay. Dang, this is huge. Look, I know it's gonna be big, but look. I feel like I could fit a Cornish hen in there. I could. I don't buy Cornish hens, but I could fit one in there if I wanted to get one. This is the inside. I like the design on the inside. Can y'all see that? Y'all can see that. I like the design. But then on the top, they have like the big heater, obviously. Now, we're gonna unbox the handle. Here it is. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Okay, now there's also 2 trays. Let me take out this sticker though, so that way I can attach the handle. I'm going to show you the tray at the bottom. Okay, here it is on the inside. Now we're going to try and take out the tray. Okay, you can remove the tray. I think this is like the plastic. This is a piece I don't think is supposed to be on here. So we'll get that out. I know this is a tray. You can lift the tray and it goes all the way. Like there's these other little ledges I'm pretty sure it's supposed to sit on. But, okay, I got it. Here it is. I don't know if these are supposed to stay on here though. Like these are little pieces, but it's fine. Okay. But we can also stick it on the middle tray. You have to take these off. Okay, you definitely have to take these metal, like not the metal, but the rubber pieces off of here. But I kind of just stuck at the top, honestly. That's what it looks like. I'll show y'all the bottom. I don't know if I showed you guys the bottom yet, though. Okay, this is what the bottom looks like. Top, the bottom. So it's like a little tray. This is huge. I can fit like a pork chop, some broccoli in here at the same time. Now we're going to go ahead and add on the handle. Okay. Look at this. Look at it. Okay. And now we're going to take our air fryer handle. Now, one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wash this, and then I'll use it. I'm not going to use it today though, because I'm already using it our old air fryer. But I'm going to wash this on the day I want to use it, and then I guess that's kind of just how I do that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching as I unbox my air fryer. I'll put the link in the description to air fryers similar to this in my description on Amazon, so you can like click those links and buy one through there if you want. But these are just some, like, these are just, you know, gonna be examples of different air fryers. Or there might be this exact air fryer on Amazon, and I'll link that one. And then I'll link air fryers that were in the price range that I got this one for in my description on Amazon as well. So check those out. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you're having for dinner if you're eating dinner, because I put my dinner on hold to do this video. So here we are. Got my own air fryer. I'm excited. I can't believe this. Look at it. Look at it. It's mine. It's all mine too. But I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.